With all the available types of speakers, it's hard to know which ones will work best for your needs. In this video, we'll go over the basics of the different styles to hopefully help make your decision a little easier. The first are satellite speakers. These are also referred to as on-wall speakers. Typically, a speaker that is going to be mounted to the wall is going to be smaller and less obtrusive, but their size can be misleading. A lot of these smaller speakers can really pack a punch. Fantastic clarity and an unobtrusive design is why they're so popular, but because of their size, bass is a little limited. Thankfully, you can always get more low end with the addition of a subwoofer. A subwoofer is a speaker that's designed to produce low frequencies. These let you feel all the big crashes and explosions in your movies or the deep resonating bass from your music. The next style of speaker is commonly called a bookshelf speaker. These aren't meant to mount on the wall, but some still can. And while these speakers are a little bit bigger, they're capable of providing a lot more mid-range and will sound much bigger and fuller than the satellite speakers. Because they provide a lot more bass, a lot of times bookshelf speakers are used without a subwoofer, but if you love those really intense low tones, you may still want to add one. Then we have in-wall or in-ceiling speakers. These are popular because they provide all the benefits and performance of a bookshelf speaker while disappearing into the room. They're meant to go into a standard depth wall or ceiling, which is generally between 4.5 and 6.5 inches, and the grille covers that come with almost all in-wall and in-ceiling speakers are paintable, which makes them very easy to hide. And just like with bookshelf speakers, you can also add a separate subwoofer if you want more bass. Lastly are tower speakers or floor standing speakers, which are going to give you the best overall performance. And the reason for that is just physics. If you've got a larger speaker with a larger cabinet, it's going to be able to produce more sound across a wider frequency range than a smaller speaker can. In most cases, a subwoofer isn't going to be necessary when you're using tower speakers, but it completely depends on your preference and your budget, so it's still not unheard of to include one. If you got the space for them, tower speakers are a great choice for amazing sound. Each of these styles has its benefits. Some can produce a wider range of sound, and some are designed to blend right in with their surroundings. And it's not unusual to use a combination of the various styles together in the same system. There's even smart speaker options that let you stream from sources like Pandora and Spotify. If you have any questions or want more information about our different speaker options, make sure to call, email, or chat with one of our experts online or right here at the store. We've got a huge selection of speakers on display that we're always happy to demo, so you can find just what you need. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.